If you have an unclean raw data like this, and you have a dictionary where you can search for to replace them, this is how you do it. First, you're going to make the dictionary into a table. Select the dictionary, go insert table, and click OK. Now you have a dictionary which is a table. Let's give it a name here. Go table design, and I'm going to call this myTab, like that. Once that's done, for a clean data, you're going to use the formula called reduce, and then the first argument will be the raw data itself. The second argument would be the Char Dictionary. I've called it as myTab, and then the header would be Char Dictionary, like this, and close with a square bracket. And the third argument on reduce would be the LAMBDA function, and open parenthesis, and we're going to use the first argument as A2 to A31, and I'm going to give it a variable called Z, and then the second argument will be the dictionary with a comma D, and the third argument would be the substitute, basically looking for Z, which is the area where your raw data is, comma the dictionary, which is going to be D, like this. And after that, you're going to replace those special character in Char Dictionary as a blank, like this. You're going to close parenthesis for substitute, close parenthesis for lambda, and close parenthesis for reduce, and hit enter. You can see that all the special character has been replaced with blank. And if you are missing a few, like a plus here, just add one in here, and then they get replaced as well.